Hey, party people! Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It's Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to get ready. I'm running a little bit late today, so I am sorry, but I had stuff I had to get done. So, it's already been a morning. I've already gone in with my morning skincare regimen. Of course, you guys know I'm glowing up with my vitamin C serum and my vitamin C priming lotion and my vitamin C eye brightening cream, because today we are going to glow up the skin. I'm just feeling dull. I don't know what the deal is, so we're going to go all in. We're going to start with our VDL Lumilayer Cushion Primer. You guys know this thing is cool. And it's going to give your skin that glow, so let's glow up. So I was thinking about, so you just push it in and it picks up the lotion. Like that, and you use your little ruby cell puff, pat it in your skin, and almost instantly you will see my skin begin to glow. I was just thinking, I think all the time that we are spending inside has definitely dulled my skin, and I'm tired of dull skin. So we're gonna add, I'm gonna show you how to add a little glow today. You can already see it. Are you seeing it? Are you loving it? Okay, so we have primed. We are ready to go. So that primer is going to fill in those cracks and those crevices and those pores, and it adds that little layer of illumination. Cashmere Complexion and Matcha for these eyes. My son actually slept all night last night, and then my husband, who is a volunteer fireman, got a call. Like, oh, the universe is conspiring against me. So I went to sleep. It was just a wreck. Everybody was okay, which is good news. So it wasn't a kid screaming, it was a pager going off. So anyway, that explains these dark circles under these eyes. Good morning. How are you guys doing? We are glowing up today. So I started with our primer, and then we are going to go in with our Cashmere Complexion in shade Buttercream. I think I need to get me some of those reading glasses. Okay. So I'm just going to put it on my hand. It comes with this little doe foot thing, which is really cool, but I don't like to apply it directly to my face. I like to put it on my hand and pick it up with a beauty blender and just spread it all over the face. The thing about that Lumilayer primer, with as far as getting the glow, is it's still gonna kind of come through even under your foundation. It's not gonna make it look oily. It's gonna be more of just a glow. That makes sense. So we are just going to gently pat it in. So what are some things that you do whenever your skin is feeling dull? One thing I did in the shower was I did do the vitamin C warming peel mask to kind of take some of those added layers of dead skin off, and I exfoliate like that maybe twice a week, but it definitely helps with taking some of that dull skin off. Okay, so next let's use our Tattoo Station eyebrow pencil, and we're just going to fluff those little brows up just a little bit, and then things aren't wanting to work this morning. The cool thing is this is retractable, so you can roll it up and just fill in those lovely brows with gentle little strokes that look like hair. I guess you could add some glitter to your brows if you really wanted to glow up. I'm not into that. It's not really my jam, but that's okay. You can already tell a difference with this side filled in and not this side. It's crazy. Just little gentle. We're gonna have to chill that one out just a little bit. We went a little wild there. It's okay. It's all right. It's all good in the hizzle. All right, so I'm gonna take this spindle part again. I'm just gonna brush that out one more time. What do you think? We're on our way to going. Can you see that a little bit of Lumilayer glow? Okay, Magix dust. It has a little really fine powdery mist, but it has a little bit of sparkle, just a tiny, tiny bit. So it's gonna help with our glow. I'm gonna put it in here. And just blending all over the face, giving us a little bit more of a matte look. Not much of a dewy kind of girl. Not really my jam. All right, there we go. We are powdered up. Okay, are you ready for the eyes? Let's do this. We're gonna do Mono Pop in the shade Corals. This has a little bit, you can do a little bit of glow with this. I'm gonna use this one and this one and cover the lid of my eye. I'm gonna really concentrate this shimmery color underneath on the top because I wanna make sure I'm adding that extra glow up there. There we go. Just a little bit under that brow. Just a little bit of enhancer there. A little bit of that lighter color in the corners of my eye. Okay, let's go in now and pick up some of this. Let's do a peachy. There we go. We're gonna pick up those two colors in the top to work our crease and just very gently working it in. The cool thing about this palette and the browns in this palette is it is super pigmented, so it just takes a little bit. There we go. All right, now let's pick up a little bit of this and let's take a touch of that brown and we'll work our base with it and work it up into that crease. So it won't be a super bold look, but it's still gonna be a pretty look. What do you think? I love the Mood Browns palette. Okay, so let's glow up those eyes just a little bit. I'm gonna do Fool's Gold and the Glimmershadow. Let me find a brush. Super fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of it and put it on my hand. You can apply directly with this wand. It's not really my jam. I'm more of a brush applier. And I'm gonna get a little bit closer to the camera for you guys so y'all can see this. So you can see the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of this from my hand and I'm just gonna gently pat just a little bit in that bottom part. That's where I want that added glow today. And I'm not swapping, I'm just patting, just kind of evening it out. These Glimmershadows can be used as as the shadow alone. Totally doable. I like to add it for a little added dramatic effect. So here we go over here. We're just patting. This is a process you have to be a little bit more patient with. Okay. Hi, Deborah. Have you tried? Yes, I love the new waterproof mascara. I'm loving it. We actually wore it yesterday and we went swimming last night. Let me do a little close up in the mirror, make sure. Okay. We went swimming last night and it stayed on. I did not have any raccoon eyes, which I was crazy excited about. Do a little bit more on the other side. So to me, whenever my face is feeling that dull look, Deborah, what are some things that you do when your face is feeling a little bit duller? So I did the vitamin C warming peel in my shower. I added the Lumilayer Cushion Primer. There we go. We got a little sparkle going on. All right, next let's do On Point eyeliner in black. I love this eyeliner. It is self-sharpening, which is fun, and it leaves a great color that stays with you. Never thought to apply the shadow with a brush. You're welcome. It is super, it's a lot easier to control how much you're getting on when you use a brush. I think whenever you use that one that actually comes with it, it seems to clump up to me. There we go. On point. What's love got to do? I don't know if y'all can hear my music. I had to turn it down because I don't own the rights and they will stop my video. We don't want to stop our video. Okay. On Point eyeliner is on. I'm already seeing my eyes glowing. Just if you go back to the first of this video, you can see how dull my face was looking. It was crazy dull. So adding all the vitamin C, like the brightening serum and the priming lotion and all that, I think that all helps with bringing the I don't know, gleam back to my skin. I guess that's the word I'm looking for. If it's not dull, it's what? Help me with the synonym here. I need your help. Okay, curled those lashes. We're going to go in. Let's use waterproof today. This is coming out, I think, in about 2 weeks. The Love Mascara in waterproof. It has a different head. You can see it's kind of a bended head. OMG. The coverage is amazing. This is something that you are definitely going to want to buy a makeup remover to go with it, because this stuff is not budging. It's staying with you all day long. Still has those little heart-shaped fibers. It's going to add that little extra boom and pop. It's also got the vitamin E oil still in it. It's got a few added things that are going to be good for like a conditioner for your lashes. But the cool part is there's no GMOs, no toxins. It's paraben free, it's gluten free. So for my sisters that are a little bit more sensitive in their skin, it's still going to be good for you. There we go. We've got that Love Mascara going on. Okay, so we're going to use pink in the cushion blush today. And we're going to give us a little pink. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Deborah. I'm just doing a little pop. Pop. Just doing a little bit of that pink. And then watch. This is the Lumilayer stick in Champagne. So you can go. Doing that right there is going to make you have Kim Kardashian lips if you're wanting a little bit of a bolder lip. Okay, so I learned a new trick. I'm going to take like a bronzing brush and watch. I'm just going to use it to rub that in a little bit more, so it looks a little bit more worked in. Does that make sense? Can you see it? Can you see the glow? Are we glowing? Yay! All right. Enough silliness. Being silly today. Let's use, I'll let you choose, Deborah. What shade of birthday balm? Should we do surprise? Should we do birthday suit, PFT or PYT, or this one's birthday suit? Birthday suit, PYT, Birthday Post is the brand. Or Surprise. Which color? Let's see. I'm thinking... I'm thinking this one. The PYT or this one. The Birthday Suit. Glowing, she says. Let's go with Birthday Suit today. Okay, here we go. Just going to add a little pop of color on the lips. I love a lip crayon. It goes on so creamy and it feels amazing on my lips. I ordered Surprise. You're going to love it. I have a challenge. I'm going to share 20 of these with my friends. So if you want more information on those, let me know. So I think this is our glow today. I hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial and it gave you some ideas on how to glow up your face if you're feeling dull from being inside and maybe you just need that little added glow. This is a quick way to do it. So have a fantastic day. Share this video. Somebody else may need these tips. If you want information on any of the products, let me know and I will hook you up. Thanks. Have a glowing day. Bye, guys.